Welcome into the Love Yourself Lean program. This is a powerful 3-day fast-track mini course that is going to help you reset your mind, reset your body, and boost your confidence in just 3 days. Welcome into day 1. Let me start by asking you, how many times have you said, this Monday, I'm going to start fresh? Or next week will be better? Maybe you do well for a few days, a few weeks, then life happens, and suddenly you're starting back over again and the cycle repeats. Here's the truth. It's not you. It's not your willpower. It's your wiring. Programs and diets fail not because you're broken or they don't work, but because they never address the underlying root cause, your beliefs and your mindset. It's kind of like having all the ingredients without the recipe, making it practically impossible to put it all together synergistically and create a beautifully delicious cake. Well, today, I want to give you the ingredients and the recipe so that you can actually create the outcome you desire. And I want to help you break that cycle once and for all and make a real lasting shift in your life. Let's begin. Write down the last 2 times you started over, but then gave up. What triggered you to restart? What triggered you to give up? Was it stress, overwhelm, injury, self-sabotage, emotions? What was going on? Give yourself a few minutes to really reflect on this and to really find out, why didn't I see this through? Do you see any patterns going on? Are there any commonalities between when you restarted or when you gave up in the past? You see, there's always a deeper motivation driving us to want to change, but often a limited thought or belief that keeps us from seeing that change all the way through. What makes this time different, though, is we're going to uncover that deeper motivation for you and any limited thoughts or beliefs that continue to keep you stuck, and we're going to start to reprogram them and break the cycle. So now let me ask you, what was that deeper motivation that drove you to restart in the past, to go after your goal again? And in the same way, what caused you to give up in the past? No matter what you wrote, repeat after me. My past doesn't define me. It's only there to serve me and teach me a lesson. From now on, I choose progress over perfection and self-love and appreciation over self-deprecation, always. Say that again to yourself. From now on, I choose progress over perfection. And I choose self-love and appreciation over self-deprecation, always. Feel the love. Feel the appreciation. You're trying. You're doing awesome. There's never a need to beat yourself up or feel like a failure. Life is happening for you, not to you. It's just up to you to find those repeating patterns and start to correct them for yourself. After you repeat that statement several times, I want you to start to feel the shift. Now ask yourself some more empowering questions, like, why is it easy for me to make healthy choices now? What am I excited to do or play that will help me be more active while having fun? And why is it easier for me to fast, calorie cut, and lose weight now? Let your brain search for those answers and show you the truth. Because the real truth is, you can do anything as long as you believe in yourself and you believe that you can. The quality of your thoughts and questions determine the quality of your outcomes in life. This is how we begin to rewire your mind for real and lasting success from the inside out. Your inner world creates your outer world. Take the most empowered answers from those questions and put together an action plan for yourself. Why is it easier for you to make healthy choices now? What are you excited to do or play that will help you be more active and have more fun? You see, what we're trying to do is see the good in our life already and work more in harmony with it. See the possibilities in your life already and work more aligned with those things. When you're able to do that, it's going to be a lot less stressful, a lot less work, and you're going to have a lot more fun reaching your goals. Pick 1 or 2 of those things and implement them right away. Whether it's later today, or maybe you have a plan to implement them tomorrow, whatever it is you choose, you're creating amazing progress and momentum in the right direction finally. And with this deeper alignment of motivation you have, it's going to help you see it through like never before. And last but not least, to reinforce what we're shifting here, finally ask yourself, what more powerful thought am I choosing to think and believe now about my goal? And what am I choosing to believe about myself that will help me create more success this time around. You see, you're the creator and director of your life. This is how you start to do that in a much more powerful way. Let me know what you thought of day 1. And if you're open to sharing some of the patterns that you uncovered for yourself, I would love to hear about them. You can drop a comment below or message me directly. I'm wishing you amazing success. So I can't wait to see you in day 2, but make sure you go through this day 1 worksheet and allow yourself to start making a shift. That's it for now. I'll see you over in day 2.